In this video, I will show you how to download QuickShare on Windows and use it to transfer files between your phone and PC. To download QuickShare, go to this link and download it from here. It will download a setup file, which is an online installer. Run the file and it will start downloading and installing the software. This utility can be used in two methods. The first one is ensuring that both of your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. The second one is creating a hotspot network on your phone and connecting your Windows device to it. In this video, I will use the first method by connecting both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. On Windows, go to the search bar and type QuickShare to find it. I would suggest pinning it to the Start menu for quick access. Open QuickShare and you will find settings similar to those on other Android devices. Open the settings to change the device name and the save location. Under Device Visibility, set the first option to Everyone so you can receive files from all devices. There are two options for receiving files. Enable receiving for a few minutes for privacy, then it will stop. Or keep receiving all the time, which I don't recommend. Now let's close the settings and start transferring files. On your Android device, select the files that you want to share and tap on Share. Tap on QuickShare and you will see your Windows PC listed. Tap on it. On your Windows PC, it will ask you to accept the file transfer. Click Accept and the file transfer will begin. The speed of the transfer depends on several factors, including your router's Wi-Fi speed. And there you go. To share a file from the PC to your Android device, ensure that QuickShare is active for everyone. Then go to Windows, drag the file and drop it onto QuickShare. Click on the device you want to receive the files. Then tap Accept on your Android device. The files will start transferring to your Android phone. QuickShare isn't the only way to share files between Android and Windows. If you want more options, check out these videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.